DNA. Now, the picture you've got in front of you is a human cheek cell. That's what we're going to extract from you. So a cell has a cell wall going around it, a cell membrane. It's got some gungy stuff called protoplasm or cytoplasm, then a nucleus in the middle. DNA is inside the nucleus, but it's surrounded by proteins. So what we have to do during our experiment is break down the cell wall, break down the proteins to grab the DNA. Okay? Remember the number, because otherwise you go home with somebody else's spit dangling out your neck. Yeah? Test tube, so there's a little line with the number 3 next to it. We need to go up to there with the water, and then we'll move on to the next bit. Okay?
Three, four.
We're going to give it a bath. A warm bath because the enzyme works better when it's warm. Part of the genetic sequence of a living thing. For humans, a monarch butterfly, each table is going to get a cup. So the first line, if I decide to be the chimpanzee, yeah, my first line, all I do is colour, follow these colours as I go along. They do have letters in them. Ignore the letters for now. They stand for the base pairs. We've got adenine, thymine, guanine and side. But to be fair, for the purpose of a bead making, you just need to remember the colour rather than the name. So the first one, if I follow the chimpanzee, my first one's red, and then it's yellow, then it's green and 4 blues, and so on until I get to the end, which is a green. The second line of DNA is the opposites. So, if on your first line it was a green, it's now a red. If it was a red, it's now a green. If it was a yellow, it's now a blue. If it was a blue, it's now a yellow. That's why we kept them 2 over that side and them 2 over that side. They're opposites. So, my first one for a chimpanzee was a red. So on my second line, it's the opposite, which is...
In Indonesia,
doing opposites, fine. Let me try and undo it.
Did you first one very good?
This, methylated spirits. Don't drink it, because it's poisonous. Yeah?
Poison.
It's also flammable, but there's nothing in here that I don't think is going to set fire to anything. So, yeah.
It smells like milk.
It does.
Hai fatto tu?
You've got your DNA in there, and you've got your bracelets.